What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys a brand new product from Diode Dynamics. Behind me here I have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner in the Trail Edition. So what we're going to be showing you guys is in the back here, and it's going to add a safety feature, and it's going to be pretty cool as well because it does have the reverse and brake light inside of it. So back here is where the new product is going to be. So right here we have our hitch receiver. This is a standard 2-inch hitch receiver that comes on every 4Runner, Tacoma, Tundra, and pretty much a lot of the Toyota vehicles out there. And what we have here is the Diode Dynamics Hitch Pod receiver, and it's pretty cool because it plugs right into here, it clips in, and it has a brake feature that flashes, kind of like the Formula race cars that has that quick flash so people can really see when you're braking. It also has the reverse feature in it, so it does shine more light behind you, so that way it's actually usable light. It's nice because it is down low and it provides more light for your camera to see. So this here is Gabe's 4Runner here, and down here we have a very similar product to the Hitch one, but this one has two, and it comes with metal brackets that you can attach. So as you guys can see here, this one has two pods, and they do the exact same thing as the one that goes inside the Hitch, but obviously there's two of them. The one that is in the Hitch has a plastic mold around it that slides in there and just clips in. These come with brackets that attach to the subframe of the 4Runner, and they still do the exact same thing. It has the brake, it has the reverse, it has that fast flashing brake as well, but obviously with two. The only downside with having it down here is if you do wheel a lot or go on a trail that has quite a angle, you're going to catch it. As you can kind of see here on Gabe's license plate, this one's fine, but this one is a little crooked, as you can tell. Obviously we can take it out, bend it, make it straight again, but being that it is one of the lowest point, it's going to get caught. Before Gabe had this tire carry on here, the Hitch and these guys were taking the damage, but now that Gabe has the tire carrier, this guy, we just went on a trail the other day, and this took the impact of the hit that we were on, saving those guys from the hit this time. All right guys, that is going to be it for this video. I will have the link to both of the kits down in the description if you guys want to check it out and pick one up yourself. In my opinion, it is super helpful for anybody that is basically stock to all the way being built, like our 4Runner. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.